What you're about to see is true. Do not adjust your television. There are no tricks, no special effects. Please, try this at home. I'll bet this won't come as a surprise to you. I am not a magician, and this is no trick. This is the most amazing personal water filter you've ever seen, and I'm going to demonstrate it. Let me put about half full of water just right out of the tap. Could be your tap. Then I'm going to take some dirt, just borrow some plain old dirt out of this flower pot, and we're putting this in the water which I intend to drink. Now we're going to just put the bottom cap back on, mix it up. Oh, that looks like fine ham gravy. Now, if I can make really polluted water like this look like this, imagine how well this is going to work for you and your family. The best there is. This is the revolutionary Seychelles personal water filter, providing crystal clean water with assured quality. It's pure, it's simple. You just fill her up virtually from anywhere and squeeze. Hello, friend. I'm Pat Boone. I've been very fortunate over the years to be able to live a good life and spend a lot of time traveling to far-off places. And I can tell you there's nothing more important than having access to safe, quality drinking water no matter where you go. For one thing, your own body and mine is about 70% water. So you literally are what you drink. And that's why the purity of the water you drink is so vital to your well-being. Now, a lot of folks may take the safety of tap water here in the United States for granted. And most of the time, our drinking water does meet minimum federal standards. But the Environmental Protection Agency reports that 1 in 10 of our community water systems in 1996 had violations of one or more of these contaminant levels or treatment standards. I'm sure you've heard some of the alarming news stories in recent years about water contamination in municipalities throughout the U.S. So you don't have to be in a foreign country to be concerned about drinking water quality. Well, over the next few minutes, we're going to learn all about water safety and what you can do to ensure that every drop of water you drink is pure and safe. You know, I've been asked to endorse a lot of products in my time, and I've usually had to say no for one reason or another, because I'm not going to endorse something I don't believe in and use. But I've never felt as passionate about a company and its products as I do about Seychelles. Did you realize a liter bottle of water costs considerably more than a whole gallon of gasoline? We should be glad our cars run on gas and not on bottled water. Well, with a Seychelles personal water filtration bottle, you can eliminate the cost and the inconvenience of buying bottled water by using local water and filtering it as you need it. Whether you're in New York City or Mexico City, all you have to do is fill her up and squeeze. You can rest assured that the patented Seychelles filter will remove up to 99.8% of harmful contaminants, including Giardia, Cryptosporidium, E. coli, volatile organic compounds, and the typical causes of cholera and dysentery. Just imagine never having to buy bottled water and knowing that your family is drinking safe, clean, tasty water at a fraction of the cost. Seychelles water filters are being used and trusted around the world by a long list of prestigious organizations, including the International Red Cross, the United States Marines, the U.S. Coast Guard, and hundreds more. Our filters deliver, and we put our money where your mouth is. All Seychelles products come with an unconditional 90-day money-back guarantee. The heart of this remarkable product is the filter, a patented design representing the culmination of over 25 years of research. Seychelles started with the EPA list of potential water contaminants and their goals for cleaning up our nation's drinking water. Then, we set out to eliminate over 99% of these contaminants. The result is a remarkable filter system that's affordable and extremely efficient. These look pretty much like regular sports bottles, don't they? You're looking at a whole lot more than that. What you're actually seeing here is a state-of-the-art ionic adsorption microfiltration system. It's the most tested personal water filter in the world. Let's take just a few minutes to see how it works. Seychelles' advanced technology was developed, refined, and proven effective. Extensive scientific testing was performed by water purification specialists, researchers, and engineers in certified laboratories following EPA, ANSI, and NSF protocol and methodologies. The results are very impressive, and they're available for inspection. The removal of contaminants with granulated activated carbon is a surface phenomenon known as adsorption, resulting from the molecular attraction of substances to the surface of carbon. Seychelles uses only the finest coconut carbon, an incredibly porous material which provides a huge surface area. In fact, if you were to take the quantity of carbon used in just this one filter and spread it out, the surface area would cover an entire football field. As the bottle is squeezed, water is forced through the filter, and contaminants are adsorbed by the carbon. This exclusive filter also incorporates proprietary absorbing media that have been impregnated into the microporous filter, enabling ionic absorption of pollutants like arsenic, cadmium, lead, zinc, VOCs, and other dangerous heavy metals. An additional polishing filter further purifies the water prior to exiting the filter. The tortuous path of these pores provide an intricate labyrinth of filtration, a unique characteristic that cannot be duplicated by any other material. Seychelles filter offers a 2-micron pore size. Just to put that in perspective, a human hair is approximately 45 microns. Nothing larger than 2 microns can get through our filter. As a result, we filter out over 99% of giardia, cryptosporidium, chlorine, lead, mercury, copper, and a long list of other harmful contaminants. Do you like to drink pool water? Oh, I know it might happen after that big belly flop when you don't intend to, but before you give me a quick answer, let me ask you, what's the difference between water in your pool and the water that comes out of your faucet? If you said pool water contains chlorine, you'd be right, but over 90% of municipal water systems add chlorine to your drinking water to kill bacteria. So whether you know it or not, you probably are drinking water with chlorine in it. And numerous studies have linked chlorine with increased probability of cancer. Seychelles filters out over 99.9% of chlorine, improving the taste, odor, clarity, and health of your water. It's estimated that over 70% of the water we drink is while we're away from home. And usually we don't have a clue what the source of that water is or how it's been treated and delivered. Now, no matter where you go, you can conveniently filter your water on a very cost-effective basis and never run out.